Hi everyone, it's Susan Burns here, your Portland makeup girl. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, what's up? This is a super sparkly gold look. I hope you enjoy. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video for more content. I've been slacking. I'm sorry, I've been slacking, but I'm back. Using my favorite, like literally all-time favorite foundation ever on the dirtiest beauty blender you've literally ever seen in your life. But yeah, I'm just kind of patting that all over my face. I love this foundation. It's not oily at all, super easy to put on. I really like the packaging. I travel a lot, so it's really nice to have a packaging that totally closes. As you guys can see, I am really getting it in there. I have uneven texture, and obviously I have acne, so the more you can like really super like push it into your skin, the more natural. I know this look is literally not natural at all, but trust me when I say like get that foundation into all the little cracks and crevices. It will last much longer. I know this foundation is also just like a little bit different skin tone than I am, but once I have like a full face on, obviously I'm wearing a turtleneck, so super easy to blend it down the neck, but once I have a full face on, I don't really think you can tell. I do like to go for a little bit darker foundation than my skin, because once I get like the contour on and the baking, it ends up being like way lighter than I want. This Morphe concealer is one of my all-time favorites. I would equate it to the Tarte Shape Tape, but like so cheap. This is literally like $8 or something crazy. I get it everywhere. My face is super oily, so if I don't put some kind of concealer and then powder, it will literally be like a swampland in like 5 seconds. So yeah, now I'm just like really pounding it in there. Like I said, I like to get it in. LOL, I did not mean to say that, but like also, sorry parents. So I just really like to make sure that my base is 100% even before I go in with powder, because it's just super hard to fix that once you put powder on. So I'm just going around and just making sure that all of my acne is covered. I love just like a solid, clean, like even toned base to start with. I think that just I don't know, for me at least, it's just like more inspiring to work with makeup. I'm literally getting bored while I'm applying this. You can like see it on my face. So now I'm just going through with the Fit Me powder, and I'm getting it literally everywhere. I don't do this anymore, but it's kind of what I've always done just because I am so oily. So now I'm going to be taking some bronzer. Any bronzer obviously will work for this. I believe I am using I just went and checked. I think I'm using some kind of Smashbox bronzer for this, and I like to go under the cheekbones, and I think this just kind of brightens the face too, but I do the cheekbones, I do the chin, I sometimes do like a really light contour around the nose, and then I definitely get the forehead. Now I'm taking my powder brush and I'm going through and I'm rubbing it all over my face. This will ensure, oh man, I was having some issues there. This will ensure that all of the bronzer is just like super blended in. If you guys haven't checked out the Morphe blush trio yet, you definitely should. They're super inexpensive and just a nice way to add some blush to your collection. I love blush. I put it all over my face. I love putting it on my nose, that way I get that sunny cute look, like I've been in the sun all day. Now I'm going to be baking, so I'm just taking that Fit Me powder and putting it underneath my cheeks. Yeah, my cheeks. So that way I kind of whiten that area and just make my face look more defined and structured. All right, so now after this, I'm going to be doing some eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Morphe eyebrow products. I'm going to go ahead and cut this out since everyone's eyes are so different. You do you, I'll do me. I'm wiping off my bake now. I seriously can't have this powder on for more than 5 minutes, otherwise it will make my face like white as a ghost. It's such good product. I can't even believe it. I'm just touching up my blush because like I said, I love a blushy, like a super blushy pink bright look. And now I'm going to be cleaning up my eyebrows. So just taking some concealer and just kind of lining the top and the bottom, just really cleans them up and just helps them look more sharp. Now I am getting a brown shade right in my crease. I believe I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette. I love to take like a neutral toned brown and get it really blended in the crease. And I think this works for literally every eye shape. I think it's super underrated, but just like super blended out and it will look so good on you, I promise. Now I'm taking the darkest brown shade out of her palette and I'm literally doing the same thing, but I'm not going to blend it as high. And when you start out with a lighter shade of eyeshadow and then you go in with a slightly darker one, that is how you are going to blend things the best. So I'm kind of just using that little trick here. All right, now I'm taking the lighter shade and using it to blend out the darker shade. So really I've only used 2 colors on this look, but as you can see, it just has a lot of depth to it because I'm going back and forth and kind of toggling between those 2 colors. Once I have absolutely no eyeshadow on my brush at all, I then will kind of rub between my eyebrow and my eyeshadow. And now I'm going to be going through and kind of just highlighting my lid. And I'm doing that by taking some concealer. I always put on the back of my hand and then taking a really precise brush and getting that all over my lid. And this will help kind of open up your eyes more and just make them seem like a little bit bigger. This step will also help with the next step that we're going to do, which is lay on some sparkly stuff. Right now you can see me literally going insane. I'm a perfectionist, so I like things to be like perfect. And as you can tell, they are not. So yeah, watch me just like kind of have a heart attack for the next couple seconds. All right, now I'm taking the new Tarte kind of paint pot things, Chrome paint. It's so pretty. You guys, I literally had to buy 4 of these because it kept on breaking and literally shattering into 1,000 little eyeshadow pieces. So yeah, this is my 4th one. I absolutely love it. Would highly recommend buying it, even though I went to the center of hell for this. But it's so pretty, it's so sparkly, and in person it just gleams literally like pure gold glitter. Like, this camera is not doing it any justice. It's so pretty, so pretty. I just took that dark shade of eyeshadow and kind of rubbed it all over my crease so that it was even. Oh, dang, girl. Now I'm taking the dark brown out of the Jaclyn Hill palette. Actually, no, now I'm having a nervous breakdown. Okay, we're back to blending the eyeshadow. So I'm taking the dark brown and I'm rubbing it all over the bottom half of my eye. I like a super blended under eye. This obviously won't work for all eye types, but for me, I really do like it super blended. So now I'm taking a lighter shade and just kind of smoking it out more. Now I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill just like highlighter shade in that palette, and I'm putting it on all my highlighter areas. Alright, so now I am working on the lips. This is not for the faint of heart. I would never do this on any look that I wasn't doing like a full glam on, but I'm just taking my bronzer and I'm literally setting the brush on my lips and kind of just like blending it out, and you'll see it will kind of be more blended, but also you'll see. So now I'm just taking MAC Soar, which is my all-time like OG favorite lip pencil ever, and I'm lining my lips and also just like filling them in. This is my new favorite thing to do, and that is take some concealer and put it on the center of the lips, and this will obviously just give you bigger looking lips. Not that I need it, but I don't know, like every girl likes bigger lips, I feel like. So now I'm just kind of cleaning it up with my lip pencil, and then I'm going to be glossing with this Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk. This is my all-time favorite lip gloss. Guys, this stuff is so amazing. It's so beautiful and smells like pure vanilla amazingness. Like, you have to go buy this immediately. It's so awesome. This was before I started doing my lashes, so I just used the Better Than Sex mascara, and we are like literally done. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I would highly recommend subscribing to my channel. I have way fun things planned for the future. Please like this video, and I hope you learned something new. I hope you found some kind of product that you might love, and I hope you have the best day ever.